Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 22nd March 2026. Title of Murli. Remain free from the word, reason, and become a bestower of liberation, giving liberation with your activity and your face. As well as having zeal and enthusiasm for doing service, also maintain an attitude of unlimited disinterest. Bap Dada said, from today, change one word that repeatedly brings you down, and that word is reason, cause, excuse. Transform this word, reason, and always imbibe the word solution. Why? Because what is your service now? It is for the souls of the whole world. You must find the solution to the causes of everyone's problems. By providing the solution, you have to take them to the land of Nirvana, the home of silence, because you are all liberators. When you are the ones to grant liberation to others, you must first transform reasons into solutions for yourselves. Only then can you liberate others and send them to Nirvana. Further, Baba said, problems are bound to increase day by day. Therefore, let every problem be transformed into a solution. Your effort and time should not be spent just in erasing problems. If someone becomes a form of a problem in their spiritual effort, Purusharth, the cause is a lack of the attitude of unlimited disinterest, Vairagya. Now, unlimited disinterest is needed. This unlimited disinterest remains constant. In the end, Baba said, Bap Dada is repeatedly giving this signal, check yourself. Check yourself again and transform. Transformation for a long period of time makes you an authority over a long-term inheritance, Prarabdha. Even if a child has been a slack effort maker until now, the father still has love for even the last numbered child. It is because of that love that they became the fathers and recognized him. You say, my Baba, so do not leave it to time. Time will not just come, we must bring the time of perfection close. You are all companions in Bap Dada's task of world transformation. The Father cannot do this task alone. Blessing for today. May you be an easy and natural yogi and remain free from any bondage of karma while performing karma. Details are: Mahavir children cannot be pulled by anything attractive in this physical world. They make themselves detached and loving to the Father in a second. As soon as they receive a direction, those who experience being detached from their bodies, bodiless, soul-conscious, free from bondage and yogyukt become easy yogis, natural yogis, constant yogis, karma yogis and elevated yogis. They can focus their thoughts and their breath on remembering the Father, the Lord of life, Praneshwar, whenever they want, for as long as they want. Slogan is, to be seated on the elevated seat of a constant and stable stage is a sign of a tapasvi soul. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Make your foundation of faith strong and remain constantly fearless and carefree. Have the faith, awareness and power that you have belonged to the Father and have become conquerors of Maya innumerable times, and so what is the difficulty in becoming that now? Do you not have the clear awareness that you, an elevated soul, have played the part of being victorious many times? If you do not have this awareness clearly, it shows that you have not made yourself clear in front of the Father.